Go get it, Wally. Go get it.
Blah. Blah. Are you videoing this?
Yeah, I am. So cute. That's a game you don't get to play every day. This is our neighborhood. We've got 1.5 feet of snow in this area. And that's the most they're reporting, I think, since 1950 here. Cross-country skiers are out. The postal workers' car. The garbage hasn't been picked up.
Oh, yeah, pretty well.
That's pretty awesome, huh?
Today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was exaggerating it. Well, I thought they underestimated. They did, finally, for once. Yeah. They, I mean, that's probably a
Hey,
first.
Pup.
I don't remember this in forecast, like in addition to 4
It wasn't. It wasn't.
yesterday.
I had a feeling this was going to kind of, this might be our biggest storm. This is like, I was talking to my friend and he's like, yeah, back in the day in the 1800s, the Willamette used to freeze over.
Yeah.
And all that, and like my dad was saying, yeah, the Columbia used to freeze over every year. So
Yeah, it did.